Hi, I'm Brian, an SEO specialist at Autoshop Solutions. We're an automotive digital marketing agency specializing in websites and internet marketing solutions. Today, we are answering several questions regarding SEO rankings that include how long before you see results, how often should you check your rankings, why rankings may become stagnant or fluctuate, and why have your rankings gone down. Rankings are a highly debated topic in SEO. If you're not familiar with SEO, you may wonder how long before you see actual results from your SEO efforts. And the answer is, well, it depends. When we are talking about small businesses and using a local SEO strategy, there are many influential factors that come into play. Examples of these factors include the keywords you're targeting, how much online industry competition your city has, how new your domain is. Typically, rankings solidify around 6 months from the start of your services. However, this does not apply to everyone. The actual timeline is determined by the many influential factors we mentioned earlier. This list of variables is very long, and many of them are complex in nature. It's also important to note that the longer an SEO strategy is in place, the more your potential online authority has time to build. That leads to higher rankings, more traffic to your website, and ultimately, more potential customers. Once you have established an SEO strategy, you may wonder, how often should you check your rankings? We recommend checking your rankings monthly rather than daily or even weekly. It is very common for rankings to fluctuate up or down each day due to Google's minor algorithm changes that occur daily. Looking at your rankings about every 30 days gives you a more accurate picture of how your SEO program is performing. It's tempting to check rankings frequently due to the common misconception that those good rankings equal return on investment. Rankings should only be used as a gauge of how strong your online presence is, not a replacement for actual conversion numbers.